We are the Radisson Blu Hotel in Dublin. We are a fantastic team that work really well together, and we have around 100 staff here.
We have chosen to install a complete magnetic whiteboard wall covering in our meeting and events and reservations office. Previously we had 3 individual whiteboards in the meetings office, which obviously over time look quite dated. So to date we've used this for our budgets, our forecasts, any figures that we have going on in there. The team have also gotten very creative using it for brainstorming ideas, and have also used it for announcements and other kind of things going on in the hotels. As there's no windows in the office, it's made the office look a lot more open plan. It's very polished and a great clean finish on the product, so it's working very well.
It's also helping to motivate our team, and they really want to achieve their goals, and they enjoy updating it on a daily basis. So the more revenue they achieve, the more they can update the board every day.
It's very convenient for us to use in the office. We can put up posters, we can put up flow charts as well on it, and the fact that any information that we have on it, we can easily wipe it off.
The biggest benefits of using the Smart Surfaces magnetic whiteboard is that we can put all our information together all on the same wall instead of having it spread out all across the office.
We have installed a magnetic whiteboard in the staff canteen located in the basement. We have used this to communicate all our PR media coverage so far throughout the month, and we've also used it as a dashboard to communicate our plans going forward. It's a great tool for staff to communicate with each other, and also for our HR department to communicate announcements, birthdays and other special events taking place in the hotel.
I love the way you can put different things on it, such as the letters and the pictures, and it's just making it very creative and very different.